Trying to find the right protein powder in 2025? In this video, I'll break down the top protein powders dominating the market, explain what makes each one unique, and help you choose the right fit for your fitness goals. Let's get into it. Optimum Nutrition, Gold Standard 100%. This is the benchmark for whey protein, and still a global bestseller in 2025. Each scoop delivers 24 grams of high-quality protein from a blend of whey isolate, concentrate, and hydrolyzed whey, ensuring fast digestion and muscle recovery. It's Informed Choice certified, meaning it's tested for banned substances and trusted by athletes. The double rich chocolate flavor is smooth, not overly sweet, and mixes easily with water or milk. What sets it apart is its consistency, digestibility, and flavor variety, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned lifters alike. Check the description to see why this is still the gold standard for daily protein. Premier Protein Powder. If you're watching your sugar or following a keto-friendly plan, this one's a standout. It packs 30 grams of protein, just 1 gram of sugar, and no soy or gluten, making it a clean option for weight management or lean muscle support. The chocolate milkshake flavor is rich and creamy, and it blends well into smoothies or even coffee. Its low-carb profile and high protein-to-calorie ratio make it a favorite for those looking to stay full longer without spiking blood sugar. Check the description to grab this high-protein, low-sugar favorite. Dymatize ISO100 Whey Protein Isolate. This is a go-to for serious athletes and anyone needing fast-absorbing protein post-workout. Made with hydrolyzed whey isolate, it delivers 25 grams of protein, 5.5 grams BCAAs, and less than 120 calories per serving. It's gluten-free, low in fat, and virtually lactose-free, making it easy on the stomach. The gourmet vanilla flavor is clean and versatile, great with water, milk, or blended into oats. What makes it special is the ultra-fast absorption, ideal for muscle repair right after training. Check the description to see why ISO100 is a top pick for recovery and lean gains. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. For plant-based users, Orgain is a trusted name. This blend offers 21 grams of protein from pea, brown rice, and chia seeds, plus 4 grams of prebiotic fiber for gut health. It's non-GMO, lactose-free, and contains no added sugar. The vanilla bean flavor is smooth and not chalky, and it works well in shakes, smoothies, or even baking. What sets it apart is the clean label and digestive support, making it ideal for vegans or anyone with dairy sensitivities. Check the description to fuel your day with this plant-powered bestseller. FlavCity Grass Fed Whey and Collagen. This one's for those who want more than just protein. It combines 25 grams of grass-fed whey with 10 grams of collagen, supporting muscle recovery, joint health, and skin elasticity. It's made with real vanilla bean and organic coconut milk, and contains no added sugars or artificial flavors. The vanilla smoothie flavor is rich and creamy, and the collagen makes it a great all-in-one for fitness and wellness. What makes it unique is the dual benefit of protein plus collagen, perfect for active lifestyles and recovery. Check the description to upgrade your shake with this clean label powerhouse. So whether you're fueling post-workout recovery, managing macros, or just trying to get more protein into your day, these best-selling powders of 2025 deliver on taste, quality, and results. From classic whey blends to vegan-friendly options and collagen-infused formulas, there's something here for every lifestyle. Hit like if this helped, check the description for links and specs, and subscribe for more supplement breakdowns. Got a go-to protein? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's in your shaker.